Hello! In this video I will show you how to set up VPN on OPPO F5. So you have to start by opening your Google Play Store, then click on search bar and type in Turbo VPN and click search. And now select this application and click install. Now click open, then click agree and continue. Now you can close this ad and click on this button to start your VPN and then click always allow. Now click consent and close this ad. And as you can see, I'm connected to VPN in United States. So that's it for this video. If you liked it, please remember to leave a like and subscribe.